JINYU-SEGA Adjustable Benched Mounting Instructions. Step 1. Determine the installation method and extend the bracket. The adjustable bracket is designed to extend from approximately 33 inches to a total width of over 61 inches. If the unit extends beyond 36 inches or is installed in an open-ended configuration as demonstrated in this example, a cantilever support is required, which is sold separately as an optional component. Extend the brackets to the desired length. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the pre-drilled holes on the bottom, back, and front. Insert number 12.5-inch screws and secure them with nuts inside the bench 6 positions in total. Step 2. Install the face reinforcement optional. Step 3. Mark the installation height and position. Using a level, mark a horizontal line on the back and side walls. Mark the bracket's end to place the cantilever support within the last 6 inches of the open end. Step 4. Install the cantilever support. Identify the support's edge or center line, draw a vertical line, and mark a point 3 inches below the intersection. Align the top corner of the cantilever support with this mark and position it along the vertical line. Mark 3 mounting holes on the wall and drill through the substrate using a 3/8-inch masonry bit. If you encounter wooden studs, switch to a 3/32-inch pilot bit for pre-drilling. Mark 3 mounting holes on the wall and drill through the substrate using a 3/8-inch masonry bit. If you encounter wooden studs, switch to a 3/32-inch pilot bit for pre-drilling. If hollow wall anchors are needed, insert the provided anchors and apply a small amount of sealant around the holes. Then reposition the cantilever support and secure it with screws. Step 5. Secure the bench. Reposition the bench and mark the mounting hole locations on the back and side walls, as well as the 1/4 inch holes on top of the cantilever support. Using a 1/4 inch bit, drill completely through the substrate at the marked locations. If installing into a wooden backer or frame, switch to a 3/32-inch pilot bit and secure with the provided wood screws. Step 6. Final securing and sealing. Drill through the 2 linking holes at the top of the cantilever support and secure it to the bench using the provided number 12 by 1/2-inch machine screws and nuts. Apply a continuous bead of sealant along the top edge of the bench where it meets the walls for additional waterproofing. Now you can start preparing the materials. Mix 4 parts sand with 1 part Portland cement, ensuring the correct ratio. Use a mixing shovel to blend the sand and cement evenly, adding only a very small amount of water gradually to maintain proper moisture and prevent overwetting. Check consistency. The mixture is ready when you can form it into a ball that holds its shape without leaving wet residue. If you prefer not to mix it yourself, prepackaged mortar is available at tile dealers, most lumber yards, garden supply stores, and large home improvement retailers such as Lowe's or Home Depot. These are typically found in the masonry or bricklaying section. Do not use products labeled high strength or fast settings, as they contain excessive cement, which may negatively impact performance. First, fill the cantilever support with mortar. When filling the vertical side, a flat piece of scrap material or an extra trowel is commonly used as a temporary slip form. Position it a few inches above the base. Tightly pack the mortar behind it. Then slide the form up a few inches and repeat the process until reaching the top. Evenly pour the remaining mortar into the bench unit, ensuring full coverage. Use a trowel to smooth and level the surface for an even finish. Slightly raise the mortar about 3/8 inch above the back of the bench to create the proper slope and prevent water pooling. After filling, add a small amount of extra water to the remaining mix to help the mortar adhere better to the front surface of the cantilever support. Screed the front channel smooth, ensuring a level surface, and allow the mortar to fully cure before tiling. Finally, your shower bench is ready, and you can start laying tiles.